Hi guys, today I'll be making a spawnism sign and burning it down because, exploding it. Whatever, I don't know how to freaking do that. Not extreme the freaking resistance, it's freaking something right. Holy number of cuts, I had lots of cuts. I said I had lots of cuts. Smoothness, I don't know, man. Bring, 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 bring. Bring, 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 bring. Okay. Subdivide. No more smoothness. And gods, I don't know. And then subdivide that and create a lot of shit. And there we go, time to make this spawnism sign now. Just select all of this. Okay. Just select all of this. Do that. Material is white. And then we're going to make a circle. We're going to make a spawnism sign. We're going to go to circle select. We're going to do that. We're going to go to circle select. To do that. Okay, right in the middle. Roughness. Assign. Assign that. I can just do that. Yay, it's a circle. I don't even know what I'm doing with my life anymore. Freaking hate spawnism. Right, okay. So that's why I'm going to explore this today. And y'all, spawnists, I'd like to freaking see you respawn, buddy. I would love to see you respawn. I would love to see you respawn, buddy. Just I'll just go back to circle select. I don't even know, man. Select all this. Hang on. Select all this. This is a really bad spawnism flag, but it deserves it because spawnism is freaking stupid. I freaking hate spawnists. I hope they die in a fire. I don't hate. I shouldn't have said that, man. I don't want to restart the video again, so I'm not gonna do that. I hope you die in a fire. That's fire song. Now we can just search up quick explode. Are you ready for the moment, guys? 3, 2, 1. Hang on. My computer is exploding right now. Just do that. Hang on, let's unsubdivide this a little bit so that it doesn't freaking kill my computer. Unsubdivide. Unsubdivide. That's better, I guess. Explode. You spawners, you deserve to die in a fire. I shouldn't say that, man. But no spawners. That's what you freaking deserve. You freaking deserve, buddy. So that's what you get for being a freaking spawners. Praise Jesus, like holy crap. Now I want to see that again. Do that again. Yeah. What you get, boys? What you